Hello, my name is Colin Flinn from Horizon USA here at Dscoop 2025 in Long Beach, California at the Horizon and Standard Finishing booth. As the world is getting more and more into digital printing, we're seeing a growing demand for the automation, connectivity, and ease of use provided by our Horizon solutions in this space. As we see print companies become technology companies, we see software and data driving a lot of the growth in this sector. We've decided to take that type of thinking into the bindery, which has traditionally been a black box, with our iCE LiNK system, which brings in all of the KPI tracking, data, maintenance, and preventative maintenance service that everybody needs in their bindery. Behind me here, you can see we have iCE LiNK up on our board, actively tracking all of the output on two of our latest machines, the BQ300 single clamp perfect binder and the HT300 three-side single knife trimmer for your digital production needs. As we have growing labor shortages and a lack of young people wanting to come into the industry, we've taken the tack of stepping away from simply being a bindery operator to being somebody who's a technology specialist. That's especially apparent in our latest binder with the larger touchscreen, swipe capabilities, so that anybody who's familiar with using an iPhone can now walk up and start binding books. In the same space, we're looking at using AI connectivity to not just join our own products, but work with other partners such as HP, other print vendors, and even other finishing companies to make sure that you have a holistic view of what's coming in and what's coming out of your shop. Please, if you have any questions about Horizon Solutions, contact Standard Finishing and Horizon USA and contact your local representative today. Thank you.